Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. In my kitchen tonight, I'm going to show you how to take leftover potatoes, cream potatoes, and make them into a potato cake. I've got this on medium, low to medium, and I'm going to put some olive oil in my pan to fry the potato cakes in. A really delicious way to utilize what you've got left over in your refrigerator. And I'm going to take about half of these potatoes that were left over. Cream potatoes. They already have butter and milk and salt and pepper in them. And I'm going to take 1 egg to help bind it together. I'm going to mix just a little bit of garlic powder in it. Just a shake. About a half a teaspoon or so. That's totally to your taste. And then I'm going to get my hands in here, or one hand at least. I'm going to open up my flour container because I'm going to add some flour as well. And that was just, I don't know, 4 or 5 tablespoons or so. I'm going to add some cheese as well. Let me mix this up. And you're going to be able to feel the potatoes and know how much more flour to add so that you can at least, patty them up, so to speak. And try to keep one hand clean. I'm also going to add some cheddar cheese. This is triple cheddar blend by Tillamook. That'll make them really good. Add some cheese to them. And I'm going to add about a cup or so. This is one of those recipes you just kind of got to see it. There isn't a lot of accurate measurements to give. If you make potato cakes and you see this video, I would love to know how you do yours. If you do it different than I do, that's always good help in learning how to do it. I can feel that this is getting hot. Okay. Now what you want to do is just patty them up, and you're going to fry them on both sides until they're brown. Just make them into a patty just like a hamburger. Put them in your hot oil. Let them brown good on the first side. Flip them one time so they don't get all, gooey and mushy. I try to just flip them once. It's just a good way to use leftover potatoes. And a delicious way as well. I think I got enough for one more. A little one. A baby one. But that is how I do potato cakes. From leftover potatoes that I had in the refrigerator to the frying pan. I'm going to fry them on one side, turn them over, and they'll be nice and brown. And that's what we're going to have as a side tonight with our melt-in-your-mouth chicken. Potato cakes, y'all. You can utilize those leftover cream potatoes after all. Would love to know how y'all make yours. Please comment and share this video if you love it. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for following Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. Bye, y'all.